Hi, ma'am. Sir, good morning. I am Leslyn Barcena, 35 years old. I have two children. My husband is a farmer. I am interested applying as domestic helper position, ma'am. I hope you will give me this opportunity to serve you. I have already experienced working abroad as domestic helper for more than 4 years in Kuwait. I cared 5 children. The eldest is 16 years old. The next one is 9 years old, 6 years old, 4 years old, and the youngest is 6 months. And I know how to do laundry, wash dishes, clean house, and I know how to cook Arabic food. But I'm willing to learn how to cook other country food like Chinese and American food. I returned the Philippines September 9, 2023 because I miss my children. Currently, I am working as domestic helper, caring an elderly person. Thank you.